Welcome to online video course Creating First NPM Package like a Pro. If you have been following this course, you already have been completed with the age calculator library code. You already has been set up with all these tools and plugins that we have used during the code. So we are at the end of course now. In this video, we will cover with how we can create the package of library that we just built, and we are also going to see how we can publish this over the npmjs.com. As always, we can refer the document that I have created for the reference. So all these commands and code you're gonna find it here. The link should be in description. So first thing, to create the package out of this library, we will fix the package.json file. We have been adding some stuffs during the course in the package.json, but we haven't done anything like setting up the metadata for package. It's just like the default file that's created with the npm init in the starting of the course. So let's refactor this package.json as per our need now. So name of this package should be as a age calculator, but I have namespace it on the my name to just avoid the conflicts for the public packages. If you are working on any organization package and you would like to create the internal package for your organization, I will recommend you can use the organization name here. So I am happy with the name of my package. Version, I will go with the default one, but the problem is that I already have published some version of this package just for testing, so and I might need to bump this version into the new version. So this version is divided into three part: major, minor, and patch. So if you would like to get more information about it, you can always read the documentation for the same. So description of this package is like calculate age from given date of birth. I will go with that. There is no problem with that. Entry file of this package, it was just defaultly created index.js, but right now our code is reside inside src, and the build all these build files inside the dist. So our entry file should be dist/index.js for now. There is one more thing I would like to add here is the types for that file. So that type should be in index dot d.ts. So if you check this, you will see those files must have created here. There are some other information we would like to add here, like home page for our package. I don't have any website for this one, so I will go with like just Git repository as a home page. We can even mention the repository here and URL of that repository. You can check like how is the syntax for it, and I will just copy paste it for you. So we have added the repository as a Git and home page for our application. I guess we are almost done with like refactoring our package.json. So we are now ready with like creating package out of our code. But before that, I would like to mention you that if I create the package from this package.json, it will going to include all this file from this current directory in that package. But I don't want to ship these files with my package. I just want to ship the build and compile version of this package. So for that purpose, we can either blacklist some file, or we can either whitelist some file. So if you want to blacklist some files, you can create a npm ignore file just for that purpose. But I will go with like whitelisting some file because I just want to publish the dist folder for my package. So there is another attribute for it, files. it takes an array. So I want to include all the files from the dist folder. So I will just copy this one. You might be laughing at that, why I can't just write it down or maybe type, but if there is some like small mistake, this will not work, and it takes some times to again like debug it. So I'm just trying to avoid those. So I guess we are ready with like package.json now. So let's head inside the terminal and with our project directory. So if I run the npm pack, it will create the package out of this package.json. So npm pack will create the pack file, and it's always better to try creating the package locally and check like try it installing and check it like is it working good before you published or the npm feed, that is npmjs.com. So I just hit npm pack and it will try to create the package. So yeah, you can see like what content it's included in the package. So it's included from stuff from the dist folder, and that's what expected for me. It's created the package on the name of this like as a .tgz. So it's a tarball gun zip file for package. So we have the package file ready for us now. So let's go to that folder and let's check this package. So we have this file here actually. So I can go and test this file just for testing purpose. So let's say I will create the new folder like inside. I will navigate back to the project and I will create test pack folder here just for testing the our package. You can test inside the same folder, but if you try to install it, it will not install because your package.json has the same name and you're trying to install the same package in that, and it will not able to let you install there. So So I will just like for sake of simplicity, I will just copy this inside test pack and paste it here and just try to install that. So npm install, and if I give the file path, so it will install that package inside that file, inside that folder. So if it's successful, that means we have created successful package, but it might be possible that you included wrong file, your entry file is not right and everything. So it's always better to test it on locally. So let's get it installed and we'll check like how we can test. So we can test this package inside a node CLI, that is a node RPL. So once it installed, we will just it's saying that setting up gut tools can't find the package.json in test pack. Okay, I guess it's okay for me as of now. I don't think so there should be any problem with that, but we'll check. Uh, let's open the node editor now, and in that node editor, let's try to use our H calculator. So I'm going to install this H calculator from my local install package. And let's see that can we get the edge out of this or calculator. And yes, congratulations, you have successfully built your package, you have successfully installed your package and it's working. So it's really nice. Congratulations for your first package. So you can try other method that's available in that package as, so it's like that. So I guess that's it for like how we can create package locally and how can we can install and how we can test it with Node. But right now we want to publish this package over the npm.js, so it should be publicly available. So you can download it and use with your like TypeScript, JavaScript, maybe Angular one or maybe Node one. So that will be really great. So let's get started with that now. So I will quit this and I move forward with the our package one, that's H calculator directory, and as of now I will just delete that pack file. So that's it for me. Now, to publish your npm package over the npmjs.com, you need to have the account on npmjs website. So if you don't have, please sign up for it. It's freely available. You can publish the public packages freely. But if you want to have private, there is some subscription available there. But I guess I'm going to publish it. Look public package or the npm.js. So I just log into that and you can move to the packages one, and you can see all the packages that has been published by you here. So now we can publish our package over the npm. So before that I would like to just build my code before I publish it. So I will run npm run build just for sake of simplicity as of now. Next thing is that I need to log into npm through the command line. So once when I say npm publish, it should have authenticated with the npm.js account. Let's say I will say npm login for it. Once I hit enter, if it's first time login, it will ask for username and password. I hope you will not copy. So it's logged into that account. So when I say npm publish, it's going to execute to the same actually. Let's publish our package now to the npmjs.com. I'm in a right directory. I have configured the package.file correctly, and I'm just going to exit npm publish. It will give me some error, I guess, but let's check it. So first error is like that you must sign up for private package because uh, this is saying that it's treating it as a private package even though I want it to be public. So I need to mention it in the file like package.json is private. There is one field private and it should be false. So that's the one thing that I need to do. Let's try it again, but it's again will going to fail because you are having namespace in your package, that is Deepak Telangre, so it consider it as a private package. Okay, but just to overcome that problem, I can force it to publish it as publicly. So there is like we can specify access property or access argument in a npm publish command, and I guess it should publish now, but there can be the problem with, but I said it's false. Why it's saying like that? Just because it was string? It should not be like that, but sometimes it happens. So this time it's trying to publish it again. We'll see will it succeed or not. And congratulations, it has published this package over the npmjs.com. So to check it, let's head to the npmjs.com and refresh this page, that is packages, and you can see you have your first ever package that is publicly available. but unfortunately we don't have any keyword for that package, as well as we don't have any document for that package, and the package without documentation is no use. So we will create those one, but before that we will also cover some of the topic that is remaining for publishing the package. So first thing, we will try to modify the package.json for keyword. So let's add keywords for it. So I will say keyword is age calculator, cal calculate age from date of birth. Let's say get age, and let's say age. Those are the keywords that I want to add. So these keywords can be used for while searching any package in npm JS actually. So I will go with this, and once I am ready, I will try to publish it again. So npm. Before that, I would like to build it. Npm run build, and once it succeeded, I would publish that one. So let's say npm publish. But once it tried to publish the package, I guess it will try to publish a version that is a 1.0.0 that's already has been published, and that will create the problem. So you need to upgrade your version. So one way is to like go to package.json and update that one. So that's the one way. Like I can go to package.json file and just upgrade to the 1.0.1. So that means it just look patch. I'm upgrading the patch. But same thing can be done by the command. So npm version, and can bump that package version to the upgraded one, but we need to provide like which type version it need to upgrade. So it's like major, minor, and patch. So I want to upgrade the patch. So let's say, okay, what is saying, git repository, git working directory not clean. Okay, so it's saying that like it tried to upgrade it, but that package JSON is not clean. It's there is a modified changes as of now. So instead of that, I will just do it manually as of now, just for sake of simplicity, and do the npm publish. So just to check like does it publish that one, that version. So it's saying that I cannot override the already existing version. So this I'm getting this problem because I already have published this kind of similar packages over the npm.js with the same name, but I unpublished those one, but still there I don't know how it's cached that version. But just make it happy. I will do some patch for now and publish it. I think we need to have the like a proper standard for like versioning these packages. In my case, I use the build number as a package version, but you can refer as per your requirement. And this says publish that package. So let's check it here now. And I guess it should have this keyword with that package, and this is saying that this one. So we are almost ready with like with our package now. Last thing is that I will just check in those changes of package.config. So I will say git add and git commit dash update package.json for publish. So that's last thing that I will do. So we have seen that how we can create the package, how we can publish over the internet this package. So last thing we will see like how we can install this package and test it again before we close this video. So it's going to execute all these tasks we have set up. So you see this, that's the power of like all the tools that we configured during this course. So it will like compiling now. It will test run the unit test, and once it's succeeded, then it's going to uh, push the commit. Sorry, commit the changes. So let's head toward that directory for testing that we have created. We have that package already installed. I'm so removing it from here, like npm remove at the red Deepak Telangari edge dash calculator. So it will going to remove that package which is we have installed from the file, and we'll delete that file as well just for sake of simplicity. So you can check it's a empty directory just for like it has a node modules and package log. I don't think so it's there is anything neither. Now we will install the package from npm. So we can install it by npm install and giving the name like Deepak Telangre at the sorry slash h calculator. Uh, okay, so it will install that package from npmjs.com. That is a published package, and it should have the version 1.0.6. And I guess that's it. We have installed. If you would like to test it again, you can head toward the node and you can do the same thing. So I will not I don't want to type it again. So let's check it. Does it working? And I guess it should working fine, right? So it's working fine. So that's it. We have published the fresh package. We have built it from scratch and we have published it. It is been production ready package. The last thing is that we don't have documentation for it, so we will just add documentation for our package. So thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the last video next time. Thank you.